This is the homework for Palm Quarters lesson number 76 for the Raspberry Pi Pico W. He asked us to control a servo with the IR remote. This guy right here. Well, mine's a little different than his, but it's basically the same thing. And all of this up here is essentially the same stuff that he did when he came up with 76. And then I put in input servo, I put in a display, configured a display, and here's the dictionary. That's all set up. Mine's a little different because it's a different control. You can see mine's an Elgo, and his is the Sun Founder. Now down here we got pretty much the same stuff he did. I changed the pins because I've already got my pins hooked up to various places here. And I didn't want to move them because I've already got them down. Okay, and then I set the servo object up here. My servo equals servo dot servo the class, the servo the, what's it called? Module? Anyhow, then then add a servo pin, which is up here. Right here, extend 13. Now if you come over here, we've done this callback thing, the IR bit. And pretty much, like I said, this is all the same stuff that he did for lesson number 76, where he asked us to control a servo. I went ahead and added a little OLED display so I can see what the angle is on the display with my OLED. Okay, now I've got the command. One of the things I did here, and I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me move this guy a little bit. Because right now he's in the way. Okay, here you got, I put in new command. I bring the new command down here. And then I take out the separators, the single quotes and commas. It takes all those out, makes it all one list. Then go down the next command here. I take new command equals string, and I say the left strip power. In other words, that takes out PWR, which is in the string. Then the next one I got down here, string, and the right strip, EQ. That gets rid of the EQ. And then once you're done with all that, all you got is the angle that I put in, which works quite well. Now, here's where I put the angle. I synchro. This is a display header for the synchro number, and then here's the command that I'm printing, new command, and then I do a show on that OLED, and then my servo, and then I put in, I make it an integer so it'll work on the servo, and then I send the command, new command to the servo. Put a little delay time to ease the pain on the servo, and then we do OLED fill 0, and then this clears the OLED, and then this sets everything up to do again, and new command is cleared. And down here, I put the close internet, IR close, and then at the same time I put my servo position 0, which puts it to 0, and then the OLED I fill to 0, and then I show it, and then I print the program terminated. Now you can see where I'm at that position. Now let me open up this a little bit so you can see better. Okay, now let's go ahead and run it. So I got to actually do that. Let's press run. There's run, and here's my control. I'm going to go power. And then I'm going to go, let's go 90 degrees. 9, 0, and then EQ. And you'll notice on the display I've got 90, and the circle goes to 90. Now if I go enter with power supply, per power again, then I go to 180, 8, 0, and then enter again. We get 180 degrees on the display and 180 degrees on the servo. Now if I go back, I enter, and I go to 135, 135, and then enter. My display goes to 35, and so does my servo. And if I want to terminate the program, I just go Control C. If I go Control C, you'll see it goes to 0, and the program says terminated. And there you go. That's my homework. And appreciate you doing these, Paul. Thank you. Bye.